Paano mag-rationalize ng denominator? Ang ating giving example, 2 over 10 minus 2 square root of 2. Ating lang multiply ang numerator and denominator by the conjugate of the denominator. Ganito po. Ngayon, napansin nyo po, itong sign tayo ay nag-change. Okay? Ito ay negative. Ngayon, pagdating sa conjugate ay naging positive na po siya. Okay? Nagpapat lang tayo ng ating sign. Ngayon, ating na multiply 2 times 5 equals 10. 2 times square root of 2, that is positive 2 square root of 2. Over, denominator naman tayo, 5 times 5, that is 25. Then negative square root of 2 times positive square root of 2, that is negative square root of 4. Ngayon, simplify na natin. Just copy lang itong numerator. Itong 25 minus 2. Kasi square root of negative 4, that is negative 2. Okay? So, itong final answer, 10 plus 2 square root of 2 over 23.